Without meaning to, we find ourselves wasting energy. We leave our appliances on when not in use. We keep our shower running for a long time, and several other habits. Learning and adopting new energy-saving habits is important. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're a new visitor, kindly subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Today, I'll be discussing energy-saving habits to develop. When we develop energy-saving habits, we will be conscious of the amount of energy we consume daily. Our climate is changing, and it's doing so rapidly. To reduce this, we need to learn habits to save energy, and here are a few you should learn. Use a lid over your kettle and pot. Let's start with basic energy consumption activities, like cooking. When we place our food on fire, we may forget to cover the pot with its lid. This causes the food to cook for a long time. So, the next time you're cooking, use a lid over your pot and watch that meal get ready quickly with less energy. Watch that dripping tap. If you have a bad tap, call a plumber to fix it. We waste a lot of water when we leave our taps running unattended. It's best to adopt a habit of closing taps securely. Use energy-saving lamps. Anyone using incandescent light bulbs is consuming large amounts of electricity, and this may be the reason for their high bills. This type of light bulb gets hot quickly and causes heat. Replace those traditional incandescent light bulbs with an energy-saving bulb. You will see how your energy consumption will reduce drastically. Close your curtain and blinds at night. This locks in warmth during adverse weather conditions, but once it's daytime, open the windows and blinds to allow in the fresh air. This particular habit will help you regulate the use of your heating and cooling systems. Paint the house with materials that reflect light. When next you choose to repaint your home, use semi-gloss paint or satin paint on your walls. This type of paint reflects light, making it easier for you to brighten your space with low wattage bulbs. Use energy-efficient appliances. Appliances with energy certified labels tend to consume half of the energy that conventional appliances consume. It is more economical and best to replace your old appliances with energy efficient appliances. Unplug your appliances when not in use. When plugged into a socket when not in use, the appliance still uses a little amount of energy. It's best to unplug it when not in use to save energy and preserve the lifespan of the appliance. When we automate our home, we make it easy to switch off any light or socket remotely when we forget to. It keeps you in control, even when you're not around. Habits are learned and hard to break. This is why learning good habits is important. Energy-saving habits will help us and the planet in so many ways. Let's start developing these habits. Do you have any suggestions? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time!